Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Helsinki, Finland, a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with a modern, vibrant energy. Whether you're picturing yourself strolling through charming cobblestone streets, soaking in the beauty of centuries-old architecture, or indulging in the freshest seafood by the Baltic Sea, Helsinki has something for everyone. In this video, we're going to be your guide to discovering the heart and soul of Helsinki. We'll wander through its iconic landmarks, uncover hidden gems, and give you the inside scoop on how to experience this city like a local. So, grab your travel journal, pack your sense of adventure, and let's dive into the magic of Helsinki together. Helsinki is a city that seamlessly blends the old and the new. You'll find sleek, modern architecture standing proudly alongside grand, historic buildings, each telling a story of the city's evolution. The pace of life here is refreshingly relaxed, yet there's a palpable energy that vibrates through the streets. One of the first things you'll notice about Helsinki is its unique location, nestled along the Baltic Sea. The water is an integral part of the city's identity, with locals enjoying leisurely strolls along the harbor and ferries crisscrossing the archipelago. Lush parks and green spaces are woven into the urban fabric, offering tranquil escapes from the city buzz. So whether you're drawn to Helsinki for its history, its design, or its natural beauty, you're in for a treat. Dominating the Helsinki skyline is the iconic Helsinki Cathedral, a neoclassical masterpiece. Its white facade, green domes, and grand staircase make it an unmissable sight. Designed by Carl Ludvig Engel, it shaped Helsinki's cityscape in the 19th century. Step inside for a sense of serenity and awe. The interior is simple, with soaring ceilings and white walls. Built in the 1850s as a tribute to Tsar Nicholas I, it now serves as the Lutheran Cathedral of Helsinki. Climb the steps for breathtaking views of the city. See the bustling harbor, cityscape, and surrounding islands, an unforgettable perspective. For a taste of local life, head to Helsinki's bustling market square, located right on the waterfront. This vibrant hub is where locals and tourists alike come to soak up the atmosphere and sample delicious Finnish treats. As you wander through the market, you'll be greeted by an array of colorful stalls overflowing with fresh produce, local crafts, and tempting street food. Be sure to come hungry. This is the perfect place to sample some traditional Finnish delicacies like freshly smoked salmon and Karelian pies. Even if you're not in the mood for shopping or snacking, Market Square is worth a visit just for the lively atmosphere. Take a seat on a bench, enjoy the sea breeze, and watch the world go by. It's a quintessential Helsinki experience. Prepare to be amazed as we venture into the heart of Helsinki to discover the Temppeli-Aukio Church, a truly unique architectural marvel. This Lutheran church, also known as the Rock Church, is built directly into solid granite bedrock. From the outside, it appears as a simple dome-shaped structure, almost blending into the surrounding landscape. But step inside and you'll be greeted by a breathtaking sight. The interior is bathed in natural light that streams in through the circular skylight encircling the copper dome. The rough, unpolished rock walls create a raw, organic feel, while the smooth, curved lines of the ceiling add a touch of elegance. One of the most remarkable features of the Temppeli-Aukio Church is its exceptional acoustics, making it an ideal venue for concerts. Visiting the Temppeli-Aukio Church is a truly unforgettable experience, a testament to human ingenuity and the beauty of nature and architecture intertwining. No trip to Helsinki is complete without a visit to Suomenlinna, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a fascinating glimpse into the city's maritime history. This imposing sea fortress, spread across a series of islands, has witnessed centuries of conflict and change. As you approach Suomenlinna by ferry, you'll be greeted by fortifications rising from the sea and the Finnish flag fluttering proudly in the wind. Once you disembark, take some time to explore the island. Wander through the well-preserved fortifications and peek into old military barracks. Don't miss the Suomenlinna Museum, where you can delve deeper into the fortress's history. After soaking up the history, take a leisurely stroll along the island's scenic walking trails and enjoy breathtaking views of the Helsinki skyline and the open sea. Suomenlinna is a truly special place where history comes alive and offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. So there you have it. your ultimate guide to discovering the heart and soul of Helsinki. From its grand cathedrals and bustling markets to its unique rock-hewn church and historic sea fortress, Helsinki offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. We hope this video has inspired you to add Helsinki to your travel bucket list and given you the tools to plan an unforgettable trip. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming adventures. Until next time, happy travels.